Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the cinema effect. So initially you're going to want to go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, click on Lens, and then we're going to scroll down to find the cinema effect, click and drag it down to the timeline, right? And so this is kind of an animation effect, right? So we're going to click and drag it to the end of the clip, and then we're going to elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip or the timeline, right? So now there are no special effects for the cinema effect, so there's no changes you can make to it. And we're going to press play to see how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.